Now we will do older, oldest. Okay? So that's the second part. The second one is older, oldest. So these two we are going to do. We are going to do older and oldest. Now what about the older and oldest? Are used, older and oldest are used for both persons, for both persons, both persons and things. Okay. Oldest denotes oldest. What does it denote? Oldest denotes the greater age. The greater age. Now let's look at some of the sentences I have here for you. A. The first sentence is, Sheila is older than her brother. Sheila is older. Sheila is older. Older than her brother. Than her brother. Okay. The next sentence I have here is, this mango tree is, this mango tree is older than, this mango tree is older than that apple tree. Okay. Another sentence I have here is, Peter is the oldest Peter is the oldest boy in the class. Boy in the class. In the class. And then I have one more sentence here. It says, this is the oldest temple. Oldest temple in town. Temple in town. Okay. So the second part of this is older, oldest are used both for persons and things. That's all we need to remember. It's used both for persons and things. Oldest denotes the greater age. What is the greater age? First one, Sheila is older than her brother. This mango tree is older than that apple tree. Peter is the oldest boy in the class, and this is the oldest temple in town. So the usage of old and oldest.